Hi, my name is Akhil Singh. I'm co-founder of IoT. Today, I want to use this opportunity and talk about failures. And just to be clear, your failures, not mine. I'm doing pretty good in my life. To start with, did you know that 74% of total IoT initiatives fail? And just to put this into numbers, the total amount of money we lose in this IoT project is equal to the GDP of the country Sweden. And the current IoT initiatives prone to fail because human data and business expertise are not incorporated in the process of developing the systems, which is also backed by the research done by Cisco that says that human factor matters. Netlume, our innovation platform, solves this key problem of human factor by incorporating your engineer's knowledge, your business processes, your data scientist expertise on one semantic model with AI and machine learning. Now, what does it mean? It means we want you to fail. But we want you to fail fast, cheap, and quick. Our clients are using our platform to create the first working prototype in days rather than spending months. And once you figure out what model, what data, what analytics work for you, you scale from an MVP to a full-scale product on the same platform without changing your existing approach. We not only unify all stakeholders in your company, but we also help you with data unification, knowledge unification, and analytics unification at the same time. Last but not the least, we understand and we learn that you, your employees, partners, clients are used to your existing ecosystem, like whatever system you're using. So Netflix doesn't ask you to change anything in your existing infrastructure. So rather, we come on top of your existing ecosystem, make it more intelligent, like Windows to the DOS. As a first use case, a beautiful city of Magdeburg, as you can see, they invested millions of euros in installing sensors in their heating stations and having a platform where they can actually collect all this data. At the end of first year, the CTO of Starbucks Magdeburg got 30,000 data streams coming in from all these sensors. And to make sense out of it, he would need one employee to look at one data streams for 24/7. He did the maths, 30,000 employees, the management says, impossible. He came to us for assistance, we gladly accepted. He was struggling with 30,000 data streams. What we did, we added 70,000 more, made a wholesome figure of 100,000, but we give them a super AI in the terms of Netlume that constantly analyzes and monitors all these 100,000 data streams and tells you about anomalies, inconsistencies, and patterns. Currently, Netlume has already replaced the pre-scheduled maintenance with more on-demand predictive maintenance, and the projected savings are in millions, and the craziest part is they had no historical data, so we started from scratch. The second use case, which is very close to my heart, something that I'm really proud of, is with a German SME called Heading. They are an air filter manufacturer. They have a patent for it. Nobody in the world can copy that. So I actually didn't thought they have a problem, but I was wrong. They are using Netlume as a rapid prototyping innovation tool, where they want to create digital service to offer with their air filter. So Netlume is currently helping them to transform their business from not only just being a manufacturer, but also being a service provider and catch up with these IoT trends. If you want to learn more about it, please come and meet us at the table where it says Netlume by IoT. I'm not really braggadocious, guys, so I normally don't like to talk about tractions, but let's say we are doing pretty good. We have won multiple challenges, innovations, Europe Horizon 2020 funding innovation programs. We are backed by SpinLab, we are backed by Techstars. We have 3 full-scale paying clients from utility down to Siemens, Bosch, branded packaging. We have 7 pilots running multiple all over the world, and we hope to make it more better with time. It's a simple SaaS licensing business model, so I don't want to go deep into it, but we can talk if you can come to our table. All this awesomeness comes with an awesome team, something that I'm really proud of because I'm in it. But it starts with Jan, who is the management. He brings in 20 years of IT consulting experience working in data analytics, machine learning projects. We have Paul, he is the youngest of us all. He's only 23 years old, but he is the solo man who created the architect. Then we have Karl-Heinz, who's standing behind, hiding, he's a shy guy. I call him Einstein because I don't understand anything he says. So normally I keep a distance, like that's a normal distance I want to stay away from him. But he's the brain behind Netlume. He came up with all the principles and the theories behind semantic technology. And then there's me, as I already said, I'm a humble guy, so I won't tell you how awesome I am, but you can just look at my smile. That's pretty good. On a serious note, the motivation of us being here is we want you to have the same experience that Magdeburg, Heading, and other clients had with the successful IoT initiatives. And to make it more simple, we came up with a pilot package of 10-man days for just 10,000 euros. at the end of which you have a working prototype of your IoT design systems. Thank you. So everybody understood everything? Awesome.
Okay, any question on that field? Bit of IoT? If not, you can also put it in the theme rooms afterwards or at the desk.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.